Hello, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to handle transfers with the Pro Ledger program. Transfers are simply movement of money. And with that, there's not actually any money being earned or spent, but rather it's just being moved from one place to another, and you want to be able to record that in the program. Two examples might be you go to the cash machine or you go to the bank and withdraw some money. You haven't spent that money, but you simply withdrew it, and we want to record that ATM withdrawal. Second example would be if you're making a payment on your Visa and you're moving money from your checking or savings account into your Visa account. You're just moving those funds. You're not incurring any new expense. So let's take a look at how to do those entries. So first of all, let's record an ATM withdrawal. Just go to the Enter Record screen and make an entry. Just choose the date that you made that cash withdrawal. Which account did you take the money from? Let's say it's savings account in this example. Was it business or personal related? And here at the very bottom of the category list, you're going to see transfer in, transfer out. It's always there by default. Since we're taking money out of the account, you would use transfer out in this case. Put a little note if you like. Then put in the amount of the cash withdrawal and choose submit. And we're all set. So that is how you handle an entry for an ATM withdrawal or a bank withdrawal. Let's do another type of transfer. This time let's take money from your checking account and put it in your Visa account. So let's say on the 26th of September you took money from your savings account and it was business related, and you have a cash withdrawal, a movement out of savings, so you use transfer out in that case. And you can make a little note, payment to Visa, 500, choose submit. Okay, so we've recorded the money going out of your savings account, but now, since the money is moving into Visa, we also need to make that entry for Visa. So let's pick Visa, and let's go back down and show the money going in this case to our Visa account. Payment from checking. And now we're showing money going into our Visa account, and we're going to submit that. And that's it. So when you're moving money from one account to the other, it requires two entries. And when you're simply withdrawing money from an account, such as an ATM withdrawal, it just takes one entry. And here you are, you see the three entries at the bottom, and that's all there's to it. When you go to the report screen, you can see that there's a transfer of funds between accounts summary showing, in this case, Visa in and net, and savings out and net. So it gives you a summary of all the transfers between accounts there. I hope you found that helpful, and that's all there's really to it. Thanks for tuning in.